Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply Kiss Press-On Nails to last 2 to 3 weeks. Before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure your post notifications are turned on, and let's start the video. Today I'm going to be using the Kiss Press-On Nails Glam Fantasy, and they are actually in the length long. I picked these up at Walmart last time I was there. They have a lot of different options for Kiss Press-On Nails. So the nails did come with glue, but they also came with these adhesive nail strips. I'm not going to be using those today. I'm just going to be using the glue. I wouldn't really use these nail adhesive strips unless I was only wanting to wear the nails for maybe a couple days. I really don't think that that would last very long. So if you're wanting the nails to last longer, definitely use the glue. Like most nail sets, this does come with a double-sided file and a tool for your cuticles. Just like I said earlier, I am going to be using the nail glue instead of these adhesive strips just because I do want my nails to last longer than a couple of days. The first thing I'm going to do is just dump all the nails in a pile, and then I'm just going to start going through and matching up the nails to my real nails and picking all the sizes I need and row them up so I'm ready to start gluing on the nails. There is a lot of different size options, and there also is different size options in different styles, so you can kind of play around and set up the nails how you want them to look. So now I'm just going to be pushing back the cuticles. This is kind of just going to get them out of the way so that the press-on nails will apply better and hold and last longer. And now I'm just going to be taking that double-sided file and I'm going to start out by filing my nails. I'm just going to be filing down the corners and all along there so that my real nail is not poking out of the fake nail. I do want to add, usually after I'm done filing my nails like this, I take an alcohol wipe and I just run it across my nails and clean my nails with that. That just removes any oil or grease and lets the glue stick and hold better. I did forget to video that part, so that's why I just wanted to add that in so you are aware. Now with the other side of that file, the more smooth side, I'm just going to be taking that and kind of roughing up my nail bed, and this is going to give the glue something to stick to hold to, so that the nail can last up to 2 to 3 weeks. When I am filing my nail, I'm not going to be going crazy. I don't want to file too much and damage my nail. I'm just kind of lightly running the file across my nail just to kind of roughen it up. So now I'm ready to just start applying the press-on nails, and I'm going to be careful with the amount of glue I use because I don't want to use too much glue and make a mess, but I want to use enough glue that the nail sticks and holds and the nail won't start lifting up around the edges. After gluing down the nail, I do press on the nail and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds just to make sure that the glue has hardened and the nail is stuck and not going to go anywhere. If you don't hold down the nail long enough and the glue isn't hardened, then your nail's not probably going to last as long and it's going to pop off really easily. Now I'm just going to be repeating all those same steps and gluing all the rest of my nails on. And I am going to be gluing them on in kind of an order. I am going to wait and not do my thumbnail or my pointer finger just so I can glue on the rest of my nails easier and I won't have any problems. I just do it like this because I just think it's easier to do like this. You can totally glue them on however you want in whatever order you want, but I found that this helps out a lot. Alright, so here's what my nails look like when I'm done. I definitely think these are perfect for Christmas time. I love them. So I didn't do a wear test on these nails, but they definitely did last around 2 weeks. In one of my last nail videos, I did a wear test on a different set of Kiss Press-On nails, and I will link that in the description of this video if you guys want to go check that out. I talk all about how long the nails last and kind of when they start falling off, and just my opinion on the Kiss Press-On nails. So you can definitely check that out if you're interested. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any ideas of any other kinds of press-on nails you would like to see me test out, comment down below and let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.